Hello friends, today we'll see how to add a mobile shops bill in OS Books using just a photo or PDF in just one click. So let's get started without any delay. First, let's go to the purchase window. Just press the shortcut Ctrl+P on your keyboard and you'll land directly in the purchase section without even touching the mouse. Now we're on the purchase window and at the top, you'll see the import invoice button. Just click on it and upload your bill. Whether it's a photo or a PDF, both work. As soon as you select the file, a smart narration model will open, where you can modify the bill details if needed. If your bill has batch written instead of IMEI, just give the direction, batch number is IMEI number, and then click on import it. And there you go, the bill is imported. Fast, smart, and automatic. If the company is already added, the system will automatically detect it. If not, a new one will be created instantly. You can also click the edit button and go to more info to check and update all the company details related to the bill. If you want to rename a product as per your preference, just click on map items or badge. Here, you can give the product a new name, or if it already exists in the system, you'll see it in the list. If there's a matching product, you can map it right from here. This helps avoid duplicate entries and keeps your records clean. And yes, you can easily cross-check the total bill amount in the system with complete accuracy. Once everything is verified, just click the Save button and your purchase entry will be instantly added to the system. On the dashboard, you'll clearly see the updated stock. And if you want to view more details, just click on More Info. You'll get the full stock information all in one place. So, did you see? Now creating a purchase bill is just as easy as sending one. With OS Books, it's not just accounting, it's automation. So leave manual entries behind and run your business the smart way.